Hey friends, I hope y'all are having a fantastic Monday. I'm showing you all what we are having for supper. Something really simple, just a plain taco salad. I've got some taco meat, some very hot salsa, some taco Mexican cheese, however you want to call it, and some salad greens. And I have a few, you can't see them in there, but I have a few multi-grain tortilla chips in there as well. And we are going to enjoy. I hope y'all are having a fantastic Monday, and I will see you all tomorrow night for dinner. Hello, it is Tuesday, and we have been in the pool today and enjoying the sunshine. It's very hot, but I came in to make us some lunch and thought I would film it and add it to this video. We are having some sauerkraut, and these are chicken sausages on a whole wheat bun. And these are veggie straws, which I absolutely love. And that is what we're having for lunch today. Hi guys, it is Tuesday, and tonight we are having fish, and we're having some fresh vegetables. Can't wait to dive in. It smells really, really good. We are having some tacos for lunch. They look really good. I cannot wait to dive in. Hi guys, it is dinner time. I almost forgot to start filming because I am so hungry. Dylan. It's ready. Go eat. Okay, so we got some macaroni and cheese and some sweet peas, and I made a pretty nice sized meatloaf tonight. This is just made with turkey burger. Or turkey meat, however you want to say it, and we are about to dive in. I am really hungry. Hello friends, it is Shut Up Dylan. Hello friends, it is Tuesday. I got a little boy down here. Hungry? You hungry? Yep, he's hungry. We're having taco soup. If y'all want the recipe, it will be linked down below. Are you hungry? You hungry? Well, you can't come to IKEA without having a slice of their cake and the coffee. Hello, friends. It is Monday, and yesterday we had, stay out of my salad. Yesterday we had hot dogs on the grill, and so because we had the grill fired up, they went ahead and made some chicken breast, and today we cut them up and put them on a salad. And this is a Caesar salad mix from Costco with some little cherry tomatoes and some cheese, and that is what is for dinner. Hello friends, so this is dinner time again, and so tonight we are going to have veggie spaghetti, and I have a recipe for this and I'll link it down below. It is super easy. It is meatless if you like to go meatless. This is one of those meatless meals that I talk about that honestly feel will start saving you a little bit of money. So I love this meal. So I've got some whole wheat pasta over here that we're serving this on, and that right there is my bowl. Lots of veggies, smells really good. Cannot wait to dive in. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you for another meal inspiration video. Bye guys.